her music on. She good.
Have a squat.
The more stuff they come take it, the better.
Yeah,
That's what I was telling her. Like,
When they taking it?
they come in today.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
Huh?
they come in today. That's another reason we here to get it done.
It's been covered since she bought it, so
Yeah,
nobody has.
nobody ever said my
We
mother
was
didn't.
not allowed in this room, so.
That's
No,
how it was in my grandma's house. She had a whole room,
I
never
think
to go
they
in.
all like that.
Yeah, and she had little porcelain animals,
Knickknacks and stuff.
dolls on the couch.
Mhm.
Hundreds of. I kid you not. She had hundreds of porcelain.
Like mama stuffed animals upstairs on
dolls on
the
the
bed.
couch. We could not go in there.
Yeah, we never sat in this room.
Never ate in there, not once. Oh, it was tile. That's what it was. Yeah, it was tile. But I wonder what's up.
They gonna leave this. Ooh, they gonna leave this whole bedroom up here.
Probably so.
That's nice too.
Man, listen. Take this to
Lights.
Chelsea. If you don't want it. Whatever you don't want.
That's a whole bedroom.
Just taking it to Chelsea, bro. I'm gonna furnish that bad boy. Well, you can go for this, It's over. But we ain't gonna have to worry about next time because I got the light. It's gonna have everything ready for you. You feel me? We're gonna be good.
Oh, that's some good stuff.
It's gonna be easy up here. It's just paint. Well, it's a little patchwork over there. But thank you. I just bring my brother tomorrow. Yeah, so this one you was talking about. We could just cut this down.
You open it up.
Have it all opened up.
I thought you just talking about just this corner.
Yeah, over here and then over here go to the wall where the wall stop at. It's not much to do. It's not to be, you act like you doing the work.
So you gonna eliminate that cabinet space?
That cabinet leaving. So Jerry, we can start by looking at this garage, my guy.
When you gonna knock it down?
Nope.
Okay. Doing the gangster one.
Oh, we gotta you taking notes? Gotta do this.
Just paint it, right?
We gotta scrape and paint.
Mm-hmm.
Probably replace a couple. The gutters. I don't know.
Shut up. What do you want to do?
No, I'm saying the gutter is leaking.
The gutter's leaking from the corner, no?
All this right here.
You know why? Because it's full of leaves.
It need to be caulked too, probably.
Okay.
Over here.
How you doing?
It's got like a dip in it.
No, he did not.
It's like 2 gallons and a half.
Now you could like.
It's great.
You gonna do it?
Yeah. 100% alcohol.
Yeah. Okay.
Which house is this going to be for, Anthony?
To sell.
So all these wallpapers coming
sell
out?
to flip.
Okay.
Huh?
These wallpapers coming out?
Yeah. Of course.
Even these cabinets?
Nope. All these cabinets go.
Kitchen, all it's gonna go. What about
And
this?
I want this off. This. Well, no, you can keep this side because the refrigerator gonna be right there.
Just this all the way to the top.
From here, like straight down like that. Yeah.
Okay.
And I want the front door black.
Has to be patch.
Patch all that. Fix whatever leaking. Get rid of all these blinds and curtains. And
And you got a real chimney.
yeah, no, real fireplace.
Yeah.
I'm gonna probably paint it. Keep it bright white. I'm gonna keep this too. I might keep that. I'm not sure.
Why don't you
No, I'm gonna get rid of this. I want you to put tile over.
why don't you paint all this white and then like this part right here and this paint it black and this don't going down, this black and all the trim white.
Nothing.
No.
Jerry, Jerry.
What's up?
We got a hole in here though.
Where?
Oh, in here. Not no big deal. You can handle anything. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. You're the man. You feel me?
You want recent lights or just a single light?
Nah, you can do a single light. Recess gonna take too long. I'm trying to get this done in like 3 weeks.
Okay.
And take care of all these bars.
We can leave them for now. We take them back.
Yeah, you should. Same eventually. Take the bars.
What is this?
That junk.
Thanks. Why you sewing like that? Ain't nothing in there, right, check.
Box. Games.
Wait, you might be able to sell that box.
Yeah, so.
Because sometimes they want the designer boxes.
It's a good
what
game.
for, I don't know.
Oh, somebody got football.
Thank you.
Pads.
Why are you coming in here messing up my... I got this.
Nigga, you telling him to
Yeah,
grab
she
stuff
got
that
this.
he's not gonna be doing it. The workers are. I'm gonna have to be over here to grab it.
Okay, well, get out.
Jerry,
Yes.
in here though, this light.
Mhm.
When you demo, you gotta see, come look. Just like all the way over here.
What's in here? What
And you move it like right here.
Which is gonna demo this.
No, we're taking.
The tub is good.
We keeping the tub. Just make sure y'all don't dirty it up.
Okay.
We're gonna put tile all the way up.
Okay.
So tile.
So we're only gonna demo this part and this wall for the can let me do my thing over here.
Yeah, you can do tile. Let me think. Should do halfway. This is a small bathroom, so it might not be that much tile. Let me think. Probably gonna do something different tile from the tub. But anyway, floor to tile to floor. Obviously vanity. The toilet, if it works, you're gonna clean it, keep it new, light, new. This opens. Do open. We're gonna change that to a regular mirror.
Why?
So why?
Yeah.
Buttered-ish.
Everything obviously gotta go. Keep the piano. Keep the.
Oh, yeah, there's some stuff that can be sold around these parts. You got books. These can go to the sort of medical aid encyclopedia.
All this computer stuff, I might take to the other. I'm gonna take to the other house. See, I think it's all.
It's
Got
more
a night
clothes
mode.
here.
Yeah.
Might be too bright, huh?
It's Mikey, you got this. This is not a rush job. You got a lot of stuff you got to go through with this.
And
What do you
It's a
think?
lot of stuff here that can be sold. This ain't a rush job. Wash this and this can be sold. It's a pretty set.
Yeah, the vanity. Change the light, mirror, and all that. This works. I'm gonna keep it.
I don't want us to jump into a start without going through this stuff and really make you stop talking and listen for a second and really take the time to get what we can out of it, okay? Because we know, quit talking, and we know how it is to need money in these type of times. We need to get the stuff out of here that we need to get that can really be resold and really could be extra ends that can take care of the cost of some of this. That's a couch bed, ain't it?
Ooh, they got chargers. You know we need these.
Look, ain't that a couch bed?
I don't know. Take it.
Look,
Let's see.
lift up that thing here. That's a little money. See what I'm saying? Just running through here. Hurry up, hurry up. No, you just need to go through this stuff.
what are you gonna do there? Carpet?
See how you just laugh so fast? So fast with the laugh.
What's the difference?
You forget a lot.
Oh, well.
I know already sanitized, so I'm not gonna tell you that. Okay, all right, all right.
See how goddamn going strong I am?
Took it.
Catch that?
What?
Did you catch that? Jerry, I'm keeping the grill.
Okay, I'm keeping the
What
blank.
they got changed?
I had a
Walked up and
he was out of line.
what?
This is clean right here.
Yeah. Can be
That
resold.
little football.
You feel me?
Yeah, that's nice right there. Is it okay?
Maggie, you got about $5,000 worth of stuff in here.
I know. That's why I'm taking it to the house.
About.
Snow. Got a snow blower, Jerry.
Yeah.
You gotta lock this back door up. See? Brand new, 3 dimensional.
You wanna keep this?
No, I'm gonna change the top.
Cause yeah. But it's leaning, that's why I was saying it's leaning and it's rusty.
You don't want your shoulder pads? I bet you. So which one of these is closed? They don't know. You got stuff in the garage already.
Huh?
You got stuff in the garage already.
You said it is stuff in the garage already?
They put stuff, a lot of stuff.
This is
It is.
yeah. Most of the stuff.
We had toilets. Okay, yeah, I think you're
All
right.
this stuff was already in the garage.
Okay.
We're just lining it up to take it out. They put your stuff over here.
Oh, well, I don't want them chairs. Oh yeah, the chairs go to the table. Never mind. Okay. What's up? Good.
Yeah, look at this clothes and stuff from the.
Okay, cool. Appreciate it, brother.
He already said that when we was on the phone.
So what you wanted
He
that?
said 13. So I'm trying to.
You trying to what?
Cause now that's 13,000 for the job. You know what I'm saying? And
So you just don't want him to do the carpet?
15,000 for this house.
I'm saying you want.
When he charged us 8,500 for Rockcastle and 9,000 for Albion.
Oh, it was only 9 for Albion?
Yeah, because it was 2 for the clean out. That made it 11. No, I mean, my thing is between 9 and 11. So, right, Rockcastle. You remember Rockcastle?
Mm-hmm.
But you don't want no silver.
Yes, I do.
That's the house that the lady,
Let me go up
that
here and
lady
get these,
that said you was
heaters.
messing with her.
I didn't catch that last time.
Yeah. That at that house. So at that house you charge us 8,500 for that house. That house is that was the same. Hold on. And then when
Got a lot of books.
There's a lot of reading.
Yep. The shake weight. I remember that.
a piano will play when it's
So what is it?
why it's not playing? Because it's an organ.
Organ, piano, whatever. What is it?
He said he won.
It's not plugged up.
It just needs to be plugged up, I think.
Yeah, he don't know what he talking about, man. This is a young whippersnapper, man. He don't know no better. Probably change the lights, maybe. Paint in here, paint the floor. I think that's it, amigo.
Yeah.